Big up 876 streets every time. Wilmot here from Wilmotorsports. We came out today to do some testing. I did a little bit of lightning on the car. I came last month. I was doing 136 on 16-inch wheels. Street tires, of course. I'm here today testing again, doing 135. Took off a second, and that's street tires. So we're looking to do about 131, 132 with race tires on race day. Still a work in progress. Still getting used to the car. It's a new car. So we're just trying to get it right and come out for race day, April 2nd. It's going to be awesome. I see new cars coming out. Big up Wilmotorsports. Look out for Team Racing Syndicate. Wilmotorsports presents Team Racing Syndicate. 3 cars, CRX, EF and EK. Come out and support. 876 Streets. Big up.
876 Street.
876 Street.
876.